Hi, and welcome to NSF's video on how to submit your region of service map builder, a required document for Type 2 NSF engine proposals. We are collecting this information to gain a precise understanding of your defined region of service and the overall geographic distribution of NSF engine applicants.
To facilitate a uniform process and comparable maps, the NSF Engines team has compiled a set of resources and a mapping tool to help you build out this region of service document for your proposal. Let's get started. When opening up the supplemental document, you'll be able to enter the Census Bureau map tool by clicking on this link. We want to make sure you're defining your region by state and county. Under Selection Map, click on Layer and make sure County is selected. Great. You can use a zoom in or zoom out filter to see the full range of your region of service. Once that's completed, hover to the top left corner of the map and click on Select. The Select arrow tool will allow you to draw an outline of your region on the map. Let's try it out. Make sure when drawing your map, you include all counties in your region. Yes, even if it's a partial county. If you'd like to deselect a county or multiple counties afterwards, click on the Select tool again, hover over the county you want to deselect, click on it, and then hit Deselect. Let's follow this process. Great, now we have our full region of service. Left-click on the URL of the page so we can convert our map to our supplemental document. Make sure when highlighting, you copy the full link.
When opening the template document, open the second tab titled URL Mapping Tool. Remember, anything in yellow is a required field. Let's insert the URL link we just copied from census.gov into its appropriate field. As you can see, once we've done that, a list of states, FIPS codes, and counties are automatically populated below. FIPS codes are 5-digit numeric codes assigned to states and counties by the federal government and must be included. Now, we are ready to export the sheet as a PDF and include it as a supplemental document to your application. Okay, mistakes happen. If you'd like to make any changes or edits to your region of service, there are 3 options for you. You can redraw your region of service on the census.gov website and import it again. Or you can change, add, or delete counties using the tab entitled Editable Template. Or you can also create your own list of county codes using the FIPS codes in the Source Data tab and import the list into the Editable Template tab. Remember to use our format. If you want to change, add, or delete a couple of counties, you can do that by using the tab entitled Editable Template. All we'll do is copy our list of counties, states, and FIPS codes from the URL mapping tool sheet and paste them into a new sheet entitled Editable Template. When pasting, make sure you paste only the values like this. Great, now we can continue editing the list. It will be much easier to make edits here than in the URL mapping tool sheet. If you want to create your own list, go to the FIPS Source Data tab and import the list of counties into the Editable Template sheet. Remember to use our format. Regardless of what option you choose, remember to convert your Excel file to a PDF to upload it with your proposal.